Welcome everyone. Today we will do the revision of QBasic statement. We will do the revision of main commands like print and input and that command. As you already know, QBasic is very simple and easy programming language in which you can easily make a program. So one of the most important statement for the QBasic is print command. The print command is used to display any message or value. So if you want to print the value of a particular variable, you can use the print command with that particular variable. It will give you the value. But if you want to print a message, you can write anything in double quotes, double inverted commas. So anything which is be written in double inverted commas will print as it is at the when you will see the output, it will printed be as it is, whatever you have written in double inverted commas. Print with semicolon. Print with semicolon is used to print the values one after another without any space in between. If you want to print more than one values and you don't want any space between them, you can use print with semicolon. You have to write print, then you have to give the values, and before writing the another second value, you have to put a semicolon in between them. And whenever you will in, put a semicolon between your values, they will be printed without any space between them. Print with comma. It is used to print the values one after another with plenty of space in between. Only 5 values can be printed in one line. In case of more than 5 values, the remaining values will be printed on next line. So when you will print a value or a message with comma, you, it will print with space in between. That means it will give some space between the values, and in a single line you can only print 5 values, and if you are writing more than 5 values, then it will be printed on the next line. The important statement is input statement. The input statement in QBasic is used to accept the data item from the user. The statement asks the user to make data entry by displaying question mark during the execution of a program. The program execution is suspended till the users enter the required value and press the enter key. When you use input statement to assign a value to a variable, it will ask the value from the user at runtime. That means when you will run a program, the when you run the program, when QBasic will read input statement, it will ask the value from the user, and a question mark sign will be displayed on your screen. So in the output box, you will see a question mark. Then you have to input a value from the keyboard to that particular variable. So that value will be then assigned to that variable for which you are asking the value. So the input statement is used to input a value at the runtime. That means during the execution of a program. When we will run a program, it will ask the value at that time and it will be shown from the question mark. After inputting the value, after writing the value from the keyboard, then you have to press the enter key. Till then, the program will not run. That the execution will be suspended till you press the enter key after the inputting the values. Let statement. Let statement is also called assignment statement. It is used to assign a value to a variable. In QBasic, it is optional to use let statement and line number. So if you are using let statement, it also assign the value to a variable, but it is optional in QBasic. So that means if you will not write let statement, it will assign the value to that particular variable. It is not necessary to write let. And similarly, it is not necessary to write line number in QBasic. Without line number, it also works same as it is. So here is the example of let statement. CLS clear the screen. Let x equal to 70 let y equal to 20, z equal to x plus y, print x, y, sum z, and so here we have given a variable x. We have taken a variable x in which we have assigned the value, for which we have assigned the value 70. Here in this program, if we will not write let, again the a value of x will be assigned to 70. 70 value will be assigned to x. It is not necessary to write let here. So z equal to x plus y, it will give you the sum of x plus y, that is 70 plus 20, 90. So in print statement will print the value of x, that is 70, then y 20, and sum will print as it is in double inverted commas, and after that it will print 90 as z doesn't have any double inverted commas, and after that the program will end, leaving blank lines. To leave blank lines while printing an output, use print statement in the following way: print first line, print last line, and if you want a blank line in between the output, so you can write just print, and after that you will not write anything, then it will give you the space of a full line. Like like an example is given here. Here we have used cls for clear the screen. Print first line, it will, as it is in double inverted commas, it will print as it is first line. After that print, it will give you the space, and after is the last line is print last line, and then after that end, and the program will end. So you have to try all these program at home, and the homework is to make a program for the input statement. Make one program for the input statement and one program for the print statement. Thank you.